Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 10-in-1 vacuum sealer. This thing's pretty cool. There's got a lot of customizations to it. You actually can do your food in dry, moist, or liquid mode. So if you wanted to like seal up some ketchup or something, you can do that, along with some nuts, which is what I'm going to show you here in a minute. You can actually control the normal and gentle pressure. So depending on the type of food, you can do that. You can pulse it to where it'll control, redoing different areas or just adding in more suction. Sealing your bags to make custom sized bags. You have a canister because you can actually hook this in there. That way, if you had an extra canister to pull out the air out of, you can adjust that as well. And you have this nice little handle to be able to lift up to then expose this nice roll of vacuum seal bags that just is stored right in here, so you don't need an extra place for it. It also has a little cutter, so you can make your own size bags, which is fantastic. This is actually your heat seal, so we pull this out. You say, I want a bag about, say, this size. That's all you need to do is just sit it out, close this up, and then we hit seal. Now, it is a quick seal, so once you actually count down and it goes to 0, it'll then beep twice, and then you know that it is done, and you've now made yourself a bag. Super simple. Got your bag right here, and then I'm just going to roll this back up in here a little bit more, so then I can cut it on the top. Just slide that right across, and voila, we have a bag. Now then, to be able to use this, all you've got to do is just simply put some food in, and it will then be able to preserve whatever you have for a lot longer than just sitting out into the open air. And then we're just going to sit it on here. It's got a nice little clippers right here to be able to hold on to your items. And this actually removes out of there as well if you did get any extra stuff in there. But we will simply stick this down on here. And then we were just going to do the food mode as dry, and we will then turn it on. Oh, that sucked it out of there real fast. That's amazing. It does have a sensor on there to make sure that it doesn't suck out too much or that it's going to overheat or anything like that. And with this nice digital display, you know just how long you have to wait for all of it to vacuum out and seal. Again, once it beeps, you now know you can lift up on it. You have a nice vacuum sealed bag. I mean, this is in there. That looks amazing. So this is great because it gives you everything you need, customizable in so many ways.